cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm.
Hello everyone, and welcome to day 1 of 12 of deep cleaning before Christmas. Whenever I was thinking about how I was going to get my house cleaned and thoroughly before Christmas, I thought about the 12 days of Christmas, and I thought, what better way to get everything cleaned and not overwhelm myself than to clean one room or one thing deeply each day and upload it and share it with you guys for some motivation. And so I'm starting with my living room. And this is just because I noticed a lot of dust and different things underneath the furniture and everything. I'm going to be pulling everything out and deep cleaning under and over and around and everything. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. And if you need some deep cleaning motivation, I hope that you get that from this. Especially right before the holidays. I know everyone's trying to make sure their house is clean and tidy and presentable for guests. So like I said, I hope that you guys enjoy this, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And stay tuned, there's a sneak peek of tomorrow's video after this one, and also, if this is not the day that I posted this video, there will be more short videos like this one for you to enjoy in other rooms of my house. I don't actually have 12 rooms, so I'm going to be doing some organizing and decluttering as well.
Ever been, it's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
As we approach the holidays, we are starting to do some Christmas traditions, and I was just wondering, what are some Christmas traditions that you and your family do? That's probably what every YouTuber asks in their video, but I genuinely am curious to know, because our traditions are sort of like cookies and candy making and decorating, of course, but with little kids, we want to start some new traditions of our own instead of only carrying on our own families. So what are some ideas that you guys have that you have started either this year or just kept up from the past?
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
I'll be very honest, I was very surprised when I pulled this out and there was not just a boatload of toys behind there, but I was actually really grateful because that just meant I didn't have as much to worry about or to put away.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you.
For any of you that are new here, my name is Michaela and I have 2 kids and 1 on the way. And if you're thinking, wow, look at those couches, why do you even bother with cleaning them? Don't worry, I've already thought of that, but I'm just kind of nervous about getting new furniture because this stuff is fairly old, but at the same time, I know that my kids, since they're tearing it apart, I know that new ones they would do the same thing with, so I'm kind of nervous about getting new furniture because I don't want the same thing to happen to more expensive stuff. And so I'm kind of at a dilemma as far as that goes.
It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you.
If you guys have watched any of my other videos, you will know that sometimes my camera kind of goes a little glitchy on me, and this is one of those shots that I couldn't really replicate with a sound conscience, and so I included it in there. I'm sorry that it is glitchy. Apparently my camera does not like my living room floor, because it seems like every time I film my living room floor, it just starts messing up. So I apologize for that, and I hope that you guys have made it through that without any headaches.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
Literally every time I clean around my door and on the baseboards and stuff, I am so amazed at how much dirt comes out. This time around, I actually moved my shoe rack from underneath those coats that are actually hung just a little bit too low, and I put it behind my couch. I think it works really well, as long as my kids learn not to climb on it, because I don't think it's actually that sturdy. But I thought that it was kind of a little bit of a stroke of genius on my part, as far as being able to actually get to the shoes and not have to move the coats every time.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the
I didn't really have anything to do with this rug except move it around, because I have recently thoroughly vacuumed and shampooed it. If you want to see that video, I'll have it linked right here. Like I said, our furniture is fairly old. This faux leather couch is shedding like crazy. That's why I have a cover over it. I put the cover in the wash and I vacuumed it off just to get any of those sheds off. And it was still in the wash by the time this video was over, but it did go back on there the next morning before we sat on it again and made any of those sheds kind of come off.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the sun
Normally I use my steam cleaner, but honestly on this day I just wanted to get things done and in a timely manner, and that steam cleaner is just a little bit more bulky and harder to carry around. And so I went ahead and just went with the microfiber mop pad here, and I rinsed it and used just a little bit of an all-purpose cleaner in between. It worked really well, just as well as the steam cleaner. Maybe not as sanitizing, but as far as getting up the dirt and the dust and everything that I was stirring up, it worked really well.
is it. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a
I feel like I always do things in backwards order, so of course after I had swept and mopped and everything, I decided to dust. I pulled out a new one, fluffed it up, and got all the dust off of my piano and TV.
good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on.
Thank you guys so much for being here and taking time out of your day to watch this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next 11 days of Christmas cleaning, and I will see you in the next one.
Have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Hey,